Cool. So I'm with Miklos, who is one of our senior managers for engineering here at Fivetran. We're very excited that we've just launched a couple of new roles here in Ireland as part of Miklos's engineering team, which will be the first hires in this location to join the team as well. So we just want Miklos to jump on for a couple of minutes and give us a quick synopsis on what we're looking for. We've launched a senior software engineer, a staff level software engineer, and we'll likely have maybe one or two more to come in the next few weeks as well. So really exciting time for Miklos and expanding the team. So Miklos, can you just first of all maybe tell us about what your team does at Fivetran? It'd be great, please.
Sure. So Fivetran is an automated data movement platform. So we move data in a pipeline. So there's the source of the data for this pipeline that can be a database or could be a cloud application, API, even regular files. And we have more than 300 pre-built connectors. And on the other end of the pipeline, you'll find the data writer side where this data is written to some data warehouse like Snowflake or BigQuery. And in the middle, you'll find the heart of the pipeline, what we call the core. And this service is maintained by 3 teams, one of which is mine. And interestingly, we have hundreds of connectors, but we only have a single core. So this pipeline is really narrow in the middle. So this is the single most important service at Fivetran. And this is the code that connects our source connectors to our destination warehouses. And we implement features like a deduplication, condensing identical operations into one, buffering, encryption, type coercion, hashing. The biggest job of the core is to transform data from various sources with different formats into one single format. And once we transformed all that data, then it can be translated into something format specific that goes into a warehouse. So my team maintains this core service along with 2 other teams. We're part of the data application platform. And we're also maintaining a solution called Fivetran Local Data Processing, which implements the same core concepts I just explained, but it is a downloadable on-prem solution for enterprise businesses, like customers who are in the financial services or defense or healthcare industries, where keeping data processing within their own premises or is absolutely essential to their security model.
Okay, cool. That's great. Thanks for the overview. And in relation to these roles that we've just launched and which are linked below, can you maybe give us a quick synopsis on what are the main technical requirements that you're going to need for someone to have to be successful in these roles, please?
Since we maintain both a cloud-based and an on-prem solution, we are looking for people who are comfortable with working with both C and Java. They enjoy working with backend code, making optimizations, analyzing and visualizing results, adding new features to this critical piece of code. And since most of our projects are engineering driven, we are looking for those who can define project requirements as well, as it's needed for many of our initiatives, especially the performance-related ones. For the local data processing solution, we work with low-level concepts as well, like network communication. And we do that on various operating systems, mainly Linux and Windows. We do some system-level programming as well. So if you have any experience with process or memory management or interprocess communication, that can be very handy. For both the local data processing solution and the cloud-based solution, we will need some experience with relational databases like PostgreSQL, Oracle, or SQL Server. And for the cloud-based solution, you'll use mainly Java, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, Amazon Web Services. And we work in sprints, and we are a cross-functional team. So you will be part of a small group of engineers which defines the requirements. Then you will design the solution, code it, make sure it works. And you can also do a stage rollout to make that feature available to our customers.
Okay, cool. Thanks. So these roles are live at the moment. We're looking to interview as soon as possible and make these hires as they're business critical to what we're doing here at Fivetran. So if you are interested, please do apply now. You can always reach out to myself or Miklos with more information, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks very much.